As COVID cases continue to creep up, kids 5 to 11 are one step closer to getting a boost in protection. Yesterday, the FDA approved the third dose for that age group, and the CDC is set to meet tomorrow. But will parents be open to it? WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leschner joining us live now in studio. So, Chloe, what are doctors saying?
Hey, Jane, well, doctors say just like for adults, this booster shot is critical with more variant spreading. But statewide, only 27% of kids in this age group got their initial doses. Just about 6 months after COVID vaccines were first approved for kids ages 5 to 11, the FDA has authorized a third dose of the Pfizer vaccine for the age group.
We have been very excited to see the rollout of the vaccines, and with this latest FDA approval, we are very hopeful that more parents will decide to vaccinate their children.
Nationwide, less than a third of those 28 million kids have gotten their initial 2 doses. Experts say booster uptake for the entire population has been lagging. Mostly older, more vulnerable people have gotten them. And while most kids will have a mild case of COVID, doctors say protecting them from all possibilities is important.
While it is prevalent, there is still severe disease that's happening from this infection that I think we need to not lose sight of.
Immunity from the vaccines diminishes over time. With COVID cases rising again and fewer protective measures in place, experts say crowded places like schools could start seeing more spread.
I do believe that it is the best path in keeping their kids safe. You know, vaccines are a big part of what we do in pediatrics in general, and COVID just has highlighted this, I think, for the nation, how important and effective vaccines can be.
So the CDC's advisory committee meets tomorrow and is expected to discuss the Pfizer booster in this age group. If they give the green light, the final step to get approval is from the CDC director. If all goes well, those boosters could be available as early as Friday. Live in studio, Chloe Leschner, WCNC Charlotte.
A lot of parents waiting for that. Thanks, Chloe.